Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Tomade Torelli plant in Plants vs. Brain Rot. So make sure you have the central island opened, and here it's going to basically show like you guys the hit list, like the target. So you'll just need to wait for this to spawn. You can like AFK it, but once you like got the like target until like the last level, the 20th level, you'll get the seed. So you're just going to claim the seed. Then you can restart for 50 million if you'd like to. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm just going to go back to my garden to plant it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.